This is the art of Avadhanam, which used to be done in Kathak, and I have tried to emulate that very traditional thing which we are losing that art form. I hope I did I justify what you were expecting?
This was transcendence actually, in words. You can't express. And the beautiful blend of music, Malifil's music and your dance, transported us to another world altogether. I'm sure all of you will agree.
Thank you very much.
This is art, and this is an artist.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
I think we are all blessed to be here and see you.
I am blessed to be before you and share the art,
Thank
the
you so
ancient
much.
art of Kathak. Thank you.
Thank you. I also take this opportunity to thank Satya for giving us this Rasa Dautana.
Thank you. So I will let the stage or be on
Before, sorry
stage.
to
Yeah, sure.
the support you three gave Sri Nagraj.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He is the soul. He brought
Yeah.
out something from us. And,
See,
and all your blessings. Thank
See,
you.
we dancers believe music is our soul. Only then we can express what we feel. And actually, you all complemented each other, and that's why we all transcended.
I just remember my Didi father because she trained us like this.
Yes.
This is
Very
all
true.
because of her training,
Very
nothing
true.
else. And her blessings and all your support and that. Thank you.
Guru Purnima is approaching the coming days next week, and I think I would like to make this performance as my tribute to my guru, Dr. Maya Rao, and her sister Chitra Venugopal. And this gratitude also reaches through them to Shambhu Maharaji and Sundar Prasad ji, and to the entire gharana of Lucknow and Jaipur. I do my pranams for making me what I am here today. Unless you have some more questions.
Veena, you like to ask your
A
choice of
sawal. Or
sawal?
if it's too late, it's stopped raining, and probably it stopped raining.
Too late, night is too young.
In fact, we saw many colors, Nagraj Garu or Nagraji. We saw the Kuchela and Krishna, the friendship between them, and the agony of Draupadi. So many colors we got to see today. It was beautiful and wonderful. You said that not just man or woman, but in between also can be enacted in Kathak. So
Now I'm
should
getting
I-
scared. Yeah.
Should I request you
Mhm.
to enact Draupadi's Shikhandi, one of her brothers, who actually wanted to marry Bhishma but she could not, and that is why she comes in the form of Shikhandi. And during the war, it is she who comes in between and she throws the challenge to them.
Bhishma.
And then, yes. And if you can enact the conflict of Shikhandi, of being a man in the war or being a woman to entice him.
Wow. Super.
That's what I call as challenging. That was very emoting, and this is challenging. I'll try to do my best. First, I'll introduce the
Male and female. You start with male or female? should make female bit better because she was female. Right?
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್,
ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್. ಮೊದಲೇ ಏನೂ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೊದಲೇ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಇರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಯಾರು, ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲೂಟು, ಯಾವ ರಾಗ.
ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಯು. ಮೊದಲು ಅವಳು ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಭೀಷ್ಮ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವಳು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ತೀರ್ಥೋಂ ತನನ ದಿರನ ತಾನಾದಿ ತಾನನು ತನದಿರೆನ ತನದಿರೆನ ತನದಿರ್ತೀರ್ಥೋಂ ತನ ತನನ ತಾನಾದಿ ತಾನನು ತನದಿರೆನ 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 ದಿರೆನ ದಿರೆನ ತಾನಾದಿ ತಾನನು തനധീരനം തനധീരനം തന ദിഗ 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 താനാദീം താനനോ ತಾನ ತಾನಾದಿ ತಾನ ತಾನಾದಿ ತಾನ